Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you about one simple tip that will make you safer while driving. That's right, this one tip will help you be a safer driver for your sake and for the sake of everyone around you. Now let me get right to it. Let me tell you what the tip is. The tip is to wear your seatbelt. Now I know that you're thinking, yes, wearing your seatbelt will keep you safer in the car, but not only that, it will make you a safer driver with regards to your personality as a driver. Now let me fully explain myself, because I know that there are some skeptical people out there that are like, Mike, you're wrong, it's not going to change me. Listen, okay, I'm going to tell you exactly why wearing your seatbelt will make you a safer driver, and that's because it sets the standard for your entire ride. When you start your driving ride, when you start your commute with something safe, like putting a seatbelt on, you are setting the standard for the entire ride. Because you're starting off by buckling up, putting your seatbelt on, you know that you have safety at the front of your mind. That means that you're more likely to use your signals, you're more likely to check your blind spots, you're more likely to come to a complete stop, you're more likely to take on this whole safety persona based on one maneuver. You know, it's very simple. A lot of people talk about waking up early, waking up like super early, like 4 a.m., 5 a.m., and the benefits of doing so. And people can't understand it. They're like, why would you wake up at 4 a.m. just to work out? I don't get it. I'm going to tell you exactly why. When you wake up at 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., whatever the case is, when you wake up earlier than usual, you're getting a little small win for the day. And that helps you change your whole personality for the rest of the day. So when you get this little small safety win for your driving, that's going to change your whole driving experience, because you are now this safe driver. Even if you're like generally a reckless driver, next time you get in the car, go like this, like I'm grabbing my seatbelt, buckle up, and just realize that you are a safe driver. You're going to take on this whole persona of being a safe driver. And guess what? If you're in the unfortunate event where you get into an accident, let's say, and whether it is or is not your fault, that doesn't matter so much, because the purpose of a seatbelt is to protect you, to prevent you from injury. So you're also going to be safer as a person with regards to if you're in an accident, you're going to be safer. So it's as simple as that. When you buckle up, when you put your seatbelt on, it makes you safer in the unfortunate event of an accident. It will prevent injury. It will lessen the chance of injury. That's its job, is to prevent injury and keep you in place. Instead of, like flying out the windshield, it'll keep you in place. It's as simple as that. But also, it's going to help you take on your persona. Now, also, I mean, in most places, legally, you should be wearing a seatbelt. I will tell you right now, I do not leave my driveway without putting my seatbelt on. If I had to move my car to the other side of the driveway, I would still put my seatbelt on, because it's a habit. So like I said, it's more than just a one-time, like I'm buckling up, wow, big deal. No, it's a habit, and it changes your whole persona for actually being a safer driver. And that's it. That's the one tip that will make you a safer driver, safer while driving. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.